Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to share a note with your close friends on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. This feature is a great way to send quick messages or thoughts just to your closest circle, keeping things personal and private. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu where you'll find several options. Click on Messenger to access your direct messages and notes. Next, you'll see your existing notes at the top of the Messenger screen. Click on your note area to start writing. Here, you can type whatever you want to share, whether it's a quick update, a fun thought, or a reminder. The note is a simple way to communicate without sending a full message. After writing your note, it's time to decide who will see it. Look for the option that says Shared With and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Close Friends. This ensures that only the people you've added to your close friends list will be able to view your note. Finally, once you're happy with your message and have chosen your audience, click Share. Your note will now be visible exclusively to your close friends on Instagram. They'll see it when they check their Messenger or Note section, making it a quick and easy way to stay connected with your inner circle. And that's all there is to it. Sharing a note with close friends on Instagram's PC app is straightforward and helps you keep your messages targeted and personal. Give it a try next time you want to share something special with just a few people. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more of Instagram's features to make the most out of your social experience.